Hi and welcome to a small tutorial on how to add drums and bass to a Garageband project. The first thing you need to do is to open a new project. Then you just slide until you find the drums and choose the Smart Drummer. And when you're here in the drum interface, you can choose what kind of drum set you want to have. When you have chosen your drum set, you can start adding drums to the drum palette. The drums will automatically play, but you can turn that off and on here. You can also use the random drums button down there. Then you can just mess around and be creative, and play around with where you're placing the drums. You can also change the drum set and have a completely different drum sound. And when you're happy, it's time to make a recording of the drums. Hit the red button. As you can see, it's possible to change the drums as you're making the recording. Then it's time to add some bass. But let's first go into the overview interface in Garageband. Here you have an overview of all the instruments you've added to the project. And you can see the sounds represented by small dots. To go back to the instrument interface, you can double click the instrument icon. When you're in the timeline interface or the main interface, you can slide out this handle to get some additional tools, like adjusting the sound of that particular instrument. In the top middle, you also have some very important controls, like go back to the beginning and the play button. Now it's time to add some bass. So hit that plus button down to the left, find the bass and choose the Smart Bass. Now you have come to the bass interface, and just as with the drums, you can choose what kind of bass you would like to play. Unless you're an experienced musician, you would like to use the autoplay function. And if you turn this little knob, the bass will play in different kind of styles. Then it's time to play around and find the bass sound you like the best. When you're happy, it's time to hit that record button again. I hope you learned something, and good luck with your projects.